criteria for an ideal organic synthesis. You first of all try to understand what is involved in organic synthesis. In organic synthesis, what we do, we actually plan synthesis of desired molecule by using basic principles of organic chemistry. And while doing so, it involves number of routes. That means for the synthesis of one desired molecule, it may involve more than one routes in the planning. So it is the task in front of organic chemist how to select best route for the synthesis of desired molecule. And to decide this, we have to use number of criteria. Out of these number of criteria, we are discussing just 4 criteria which are very, very important to select the best route for the synthesis of desired organic molecule. So first point is starting material. Which starting material you are using, what is its cost, and whether this material is readily available or not. That these 2 things are very, very important for the selection of best route. Second is how many steps involved in the organic synthesis. All of you know, if less number of steps involved, the yield of the desired molecule is better, is good. I have given here one example. In first route there is just 1 step, and in second route there are actually 3 steps. Each steps will be having a certain byproduct. So when we go from E to D and D to C, the yield will be decreasing, and when this C will reach to the B, the yield will be minimum. I mean, the yield will be lower as compared to the yield by this route. So what is important? Less number of steps should be involved in your organic synthesis. So you plan your organic synthesis like such. It must have less number of steps. 1 step synthesis is actually ideal organic synthesis. Now coming to the next point, that is cost effectiveness. Again, very, very important. Whatever chemicals you are using, it must be cheaper. Low cost chemical should be involved in your organic synthesis. Another, you must consider low operational procedure. I mean low cost operational procedure. Low cost operational procedure means whether you are using distillation or heating or cooling or extraction, you have to select such type of procedure, such operations which is having low cost. So while designing of organic synthesis, then you must consider its low cost of chemical as well as operational procedure. Second, I mean the last point which you should consider, that is the minimum byproduct. See here, if byproduct is more, automatically it will affect the yield of our desired product. And another, related to byproduct, there will be 2 problems. One is disposal of this waste, and another is environmental pollution. So for the disposal of this waste, the cost of the desired product will increase. So while planning organic synthesis, we must consider these 4 criteria to make our organic synthesis ideal. Thank you.